product of the month is Don't Sell, Recommend, the P.R.I.D.E system. Imagine generating over $75,000 per month in retail sales. The P.R.I.D.E system was the very first system launched by Inspiration Management, and to this day, it is still the most popular system we teach. The system alone can truly increase your overall revenue and profits. Just check out the Med Aesthetics team as they continue to climb up with their retail sales. They are now on their way to $100,000 a month and just launched their own private label. So they are going to exceed that very soon. And you can do the same thing. Implement the P.R.I.D.E system and watch your medical spa retail sales grow. Members have access on Medspa Biz University, and if you're not yet a member, click below to purchase and receive the complete system, including the manual, video, audio, and all the forms you will need. And as a special bonus, receive a complimentary coaching session to help you implement it right away.